Alright guys, so we are asked to find the fifth term of this binomial. Now, oftentimes students make the mistake of trying to go through the stress of expanding the whole of this binomial, then try to pick up the fifth term and all of that. Though it's not a bad idea because you need to show your mathematics skill, but that is not really needed in this kind of situation. Because number one, you don't have enough time to express yourself, but we just want to see that you understand what you are doing by giving us a correct answer. So what we need to do is to find a smart way of solving this. So each term of every binomial is given by this formula. Each term, suppose you have a binomial x plus y to the power of n. Each term here is given by n combination r minus 1 s to the power of n minus r minus 1, then y r minus 1. So I can say that r minus 1 x raised to the power n minus r plus 1 r raised to the power r minus y raised to the power 1 minus 1. So what I really need here is this formula for each term. For each term in this binomial, I will have this. That's what I need to solve any question that is related to this. So let's quickly use that. N combination r minus 1 s raised to power n minus 1 n minus r plus 1 y raised to power r minus 1. So what we need to do now, we are going to apply it in this question. This is my n, this 6 is my n here. The term I'm looking for is my r. So I will say 6 combination 5 minus 1. Okay, 5 minus 1, then x, which is this one, x raised to power what? 6 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, then my y, in this case, my y is the whole of this. My y is this, in like what I just represented. That will be 1 over 2 root x, then 5 minus 1. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4, right? Then that will be x raised to power 6 minus 4 also, then 1 over 2 root x raised to power 4. That is the same thing as writing 6 combination 4 x raised to power 2 into the bracket of 1 over 2 raised to power 4 is actually 16. Then 2 root x raised to power 4 is x squared. Alright, then x squared can cancel x squared, so we are left with 6 combination 4 into 1 over 16. So what is 6 combination 4? Quickly, let me just give you hint on how to solve combination, though this is not what we are dealing with here, but you need to have clear understanding on that. When we say 6 combination 4, we're just saying that 6 factorial over 6 minus 4 factorial. I think you should have done this in SS class. Then factorial over 2 factorial 4 factorial, right? And that will be 6 times 5 times 4 factorial over 2 times 1, that is 2 factorial, times 4 factorial, right? So we know that 4 factorial can cancel 4 factorial, so I'll be left with this. So 2 here is 3, so 3 times 5 is 15. In that case, this is the same thing as writing 15 into 1 over 16. That means my fifth term, in other words, my fifth term is equal to 15 over 16, and that will give us our final answer.